we have a devastating missing pet in Nami. Nami's missing now, and last year he was missing for like 8 days, and she was back in, and now he's gone. 6 days. He's gone. He might be gone in 8 days. My dog, her name's Nikki, a black dog. She's a female Mastiff mixed Labrador. So PSI is 550 strong. And she was crying because Nami is missing. And let you know any updates. If Nami doesn't come back like 8 days, it means like she's dead, and I'll cry. But if Nami's back, I'll be happy. Nikki is like, this dog was crying. I had to calm her. And so we'll see. So if he came back, let you know any updates. I'll post in the video. Alright. Alright. Let you know any updates about Nami. Because this dog, the black dog, her name's Nikki. She's a female Mastiff mixed Labrador. She's gonna compete again. And of course, she was crying because Nami was missing. So I'll let you know any updates. Bye.